Hi guys, here we are replacing the drain hose for the Asko dishwasher. As you can see, the drain hose has been turned off. So now to replace that, we need to take the hose screws out from the place I have shown the drill, because I already put the screws before the video. So those hose screws out, and then take the back panel out with the help of a screwdriver. Now we need to take the clamp out, which is one time use clamp, so we need to replace with the new one. Anyway, the new clamp will come with the new hose. If you replace the hose, I mean the genuine hose. Anyway, the Asko dishwasher, you need a very special type of hose, so better you get a genuine parts for the dishwasher. So now take the hose out, which is not that tough, but there is a black part which is stopping the the backflow of the water to the dishwasher from the hose. So don't take this out. Usually if you take this out, you might break the stopper for the blacking stopper. So now I'm putting the new hose back into the place where it has to be. So we can't really see the view because my hand is blocking the view for it. So I put the hose and the clamp perfectly. Now I am clamping the hose, I'm clamping the clamp with the special clamper, but you can use the plier, but it will be it will be really hard to clamp it with the pliers. So this is all. Now we can put the hoses back to the back to the cabinet and just connect it into the sink. This is all what we need to do to replace the hose for the Asko dishwasher. So in this video I really forgot to capture the footage for the last part, so I'm just reversing it, how to put it back, the panels. So you just need to put back the panels with the, and then just put the 4 screws back, and you can really put the dishwasher back to the cabinet, or if it is a freestanding one, you can just push it back to the cabinet. That's all. Thank you for watching us.